So you just finished your first piece of furniture and you're ready to post this baby up on Facebook Marketplace for a profit. Congratulations and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'll be talking about just that. What I always like to do is find a couple of books, maybe a plant or a clock or a light, and place it on my refinished dresser or refinished piece of furniture. Then I like to go around the piece of furniture just with my phone, nothing fancy, no fancy gadgets, no cameras, nothing like that, and take some pictures with my phone. After that, sometimes I will throw it up in my photo room app. It's a free app that you can get from the Apple App Store. I'm not 100% sure if it's on Google Play, but it should be. And what the app does, you can do a lot of different things on it. You can blur out the background, you can have a line drawn around your subject, you can adjust the light, you can adjust the shadows, lots of different things that you can do. So I thought I would just throw this part in the video. I don't do this every single time with all my photos, but sometimes if I just want the photo to look just a little bit nicer, I will use this app. It comes in handy. So here are some pictures of a dresser that I recently finished. I have it up on Facebook Marketplace right now for $150. I did price it a little lower than I usually do just to get it out of here because I've had this piece for so long. This dresser started out with $30. That was the initial cost. I sanded the whole thing down. I stained and sealed the drawers. I primed the entire piece, and then I threw some green up on it. Now let me show you how to post your pictures and everything up on Facebook Marketplace. Go to the Facebook app on your phone. If you don't have it downloaded on your phone already, do that. Then go to the little Marketplace icon down at the bottom of your screen and tap on the little profile. Tap on your listings. Go on over to create new listing and select the photos that you took of your piece of furniture. After you do that, you'll put in a title for your piece. I always like to give a nice, short, summed up title. I like to put the number of drawers if it's a dresser, like 3-drawer dresser, 6-drawer dresser, and so on. I like to put the color in there. Next is the price. I just put something down right here. Followed by the condition. I always put used like new. And then for the description, I just type something simple, something descriptive, and I always put the measurements up as well because that's a very important thing. People want to know exactly how big this piece of furniture is, if it's going to fit in their home or not. So don't forget your measurements. And when I was starting out refinishing and flipping furniture and posting my pieces up on Facebook Marketplace, I always wondered if I should include whether or not these pieces have been refinished, because some people have something against refinished furniture. I don't know what it is, but just from my experience of selling furniture and all the other videos that I've watched over the past year or so, I do not include that it is refinished furniture. However, if someone messages me about the piece and that question does come up, I do not lie to them. I tell them this is what I did. I sanded down the piece with X grit, whatever it may be. The piece was primed, the piece was painted, and the piece was sealed. And, I refinished the hardware. I did whatever. And I keep it honest. I keep it true. I do not lie to them. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. A lot goes into making these videos. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them as soon as possible. I want to thank you so much for taking time. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day for watching this video. And hopefully we'll catch you in the next one. And good luck on posting your piece of furniture. You're going to do great.